Shout out, nigga. Mixtape dropping soon. Philly today. Biggest struggle. Coming up.
Wouldn't work because
stay tuned. Have greater masses, right?
yeah, but I just don't know 1.4 no. The equation M M1 M2 over R2
Shows the relationship between force, mass, and distance. What do M1 and R represent?
R is radius for sure.
Radius of object.
Estudiantes, let's go over these items. Please turn around so you can look at the screen together. Okay. Yes, I'm talking to you. Yes, please turn around so you can look at the screen and lift your head up. Okay. I know you said because Brian is gone, but look at the screen. All right. And you go there. Back off the table. Hey, you look like you too. Off the table, back, yeah. Backpack off of there.
What you say, Mr. Coach?
Let's go to the first one. Alrighty? Hang on. I will select the name. That will be Chris. Janet, everyone, please remain silent so you can read out the question first. The answers 1.1. 1.1. Go ahead, go pass off. Which one is the correct answer? C is correct. So, student, if you have it correct, put a check mark next to it. If you have it incorrect, put an X mark, and then circle the correct answers. So, check mark if it's correct, X if it's incorrect, and then circle the correct answers. 1.2, that would be Diego. So you read out the questions and pass the answers. Okay. Stop looking at the camera and smiling. Look at the questions and read out the questions. 1.2.
Do I read?
Yes, please. When?
When an object moves with a linear velocity v in a circle radius r, and the object's centripetal acceleration ac is
C is correct. B is wrong. Check mark. The correct X is correct. Circle the correct answers. Next one. 1.3. That would be me. Marcella. She's still here. Marcella. 1.3. Read out the questions. Newton's second law. Go.
Newton's second law can be stated as
B is correct. A is correct. Check the correct.
Wait, did you say B and A are correct?
No, I said this is the correct choice.
Are you sure A's not the right answer?
How does it go? means 1.4.
Oh yeah, such a lame.
This is the equation that we will cover today. 1.4 is the gravitational attraction force.
Oh, you said
We will talk more about this today, and you will use the equation in the homework. So 1.4, that will be Gabby. Sorry. Okay. G. Read out the question, then read the answer. B. Almost. What we did? Correct answer is D. Mass of the object R and the distance of the
That's
object.
C.
It's not mental.
So it's C or B?
The correct choice is C. You know what? C. C. And the reason is this. The letter R, this R, is stands for the
Radius.
orbital radius. So when you have a sun, you have a planet, then the distance between them is called the orbital radius. It's the radius of how this planet orbits around the sun. We will talk more about this one, the orbital radius, and also the equations later on today. So C is the correct answer. Check if it's correct. X if it's wrong. Circle the correct answer. C. Last one, 1.5. And that will be Fonzie. Okay, read out the question, tell us the answers. I give you a hint, Fonzie. See this equation right here? Okay, that's the gravitational force. So, if you're given this equation, all right, now, if you increase this number, do you think it's going to become bigger? No. If M1 and M2, if you increase M1 and M2, will it also increase F?
Yes.
Yes, because the numerator, the bigger the numerator, the bigger the result. Okay? So, how about this?
No.
If you increase the distance, if you increase R, would it become bigger or smaller?
Smaller.
Smaller. Okay? If they are moving, does this equation have anything to do with velocity?
Yes.
It has nothing to do with velocity. It has to do with mass and distance. So which one is the correct answer? Which one? Which one?
B.
Which one? Which one is the correct answer? Can't hear you. A is the correct answer.
I guess that's so.
Check mark and A. Cross. And now go to the self-assessment. Here,
I don't think we get less than
you, if you don't remember yesterday, leave it blank for now, but write down how many you can correct today. That way, it's self-assessment, figure out how much you have learned. All five. Which one got all five? Anybody? All five. Moving on, you take out your notebook and come to the back page of the handout. Go to the locker, get your notebook. Borrow a piece of paper from someone else.
I don't like that.
Let's take out your notebook. Take out your notebook. Peace. In your notebook, write down these three equations that you can find in the handout.
Can I go get my notebook?
In your notebook, write down this equation. What these things represent in your notebook. You can find it in the handout. table format.
You told me to go in here. Hey, homie, that's my scissors right there.
Draw this table or you don't move over?
What table? What table?
Draw this table.
No, we're gonna fast.
We need that. That's like you were telling me that you go get another one.
It was Naruto country. Yeah, I mean, they're not that no, but once they come together, the last 2 weeks it wasn't that long. Some robots and
This one is Goku and Frieza to fight. What the hell, man? Feels like get prepared. Well, hero. I don't know. I don't even know what it's
He's like that sometimes. Draw the table, I know. What table?
my name's on the board because when the
Wait, Mr. Wayne. You all can lift
Nice
this
a lot.
up.
No, that's the same one.
I don't want you to copy it. I want you to write it down.
That's the same one.
I can just read it.
Cut and paste. Cut and paste. Run it down. Get the motion. The motion is your hand. Your eye. We'll make it stay longer.
Okay, I hope
This is not very
But you tell the guys in the TV you saw, they couldn't even remember where it actually met.
So stop doing this.
bien. Okay.
I'll do it too, right? Hey, Diego, no, stop doing that.
Stop doing what?
That thing.
Take it away from that thing.
Cut and paste.
That's not me. That's okay.
It's
not
cheating.
I'm not doing that. Okay, why does everybody
The active writing it down will help.
Yeah.
I have evidence on camera now.
Yes, evidence right now.
I have evidence. These two confiscate.
Not me, not me.
Yeah, yeah. This one here. This one is right now. See, like cut and paste right now. All this evidence.
Everybody started
No
copying.
cut and paste. Write it down.
Because we had all the extras right here. And then I was like,
Hey, he got tape on evidence. You better stop.
I said, what is this? Write it down.
Tape on it.
Yeah, tape on the tape on evidence.
How do you have tape on it?
You can have tape on
I will now go over this equation. If you need more time to write them down, just write them in between breaks. So here we go. We start with, let me explain about this equation, the gravitation and attraction. I will show you a movie. This is a movie by a high school student. His name is Alexander Pineda. from the Philippines. The Philippines is a country in Asia and Pacific.
Oh,
So let's watch this movie by Alexander.
hey, manufacture come out.
Like
Hey, man.
JC.
We are all familiar with gravity as the reason objects fall. But there's much more to gravity. Gravity is a long-range attractive force between two objects with mass. It's what keeps us from falling from the Earth. It's what keeps the Earth orbiting around the Sun. And causes the Sun itself to form 4.5 billion years ago. It's amazing to think that every massive object attracts every other. That means your cat, your poop, and an alien in the parallel universe with an unknown number of light years are all gravitationally attracted to you, and you to them. 17th century, Sir Isaac discovered that the strength of the gravitational force decreases by the square of the distance between two objects. So, in theory, if you're twice as far away, gravity is only 1/4 as strong. He also discovered that the strength of gravity is proportional to the mass of the object in question. The more the mass of the object, the stronger the gravitational force. That's why we can feel the Earth pulling on us, but don't really notice the pull of the moon. It's small and farther away. The moon's gravity is strong enough to cause the tides though. And when I said earlier that gravity is an attraction of two objects with mass, I lied. I meant objects with energy. Because in addition with massive objects, gravity also attracts light.